Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to Ebonyi People TV. Today, we are taking you on a fun and vibrant tour of Abakaliki's bustling business areas. It's time to explore the heartbeat of this particular city, the streets where small businesses keep the economy moving and where life happens in full swing. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now and join the family. Now, if you've ever walked through Abakaliki's busy streets, you already know that there's something magical about how these small businesses operate. The energy, the sounds, the smell of freshly roasted plantain, suya sizzling on the grill, and of course, the friendly shout of marketers calling out to you, Oga, come and buy now. Madam, try this one. It cheap where. Every day here is like a mini festival, full of hustle and movement. So, let's talk about these small businesses for a second. They are not just vendors or shop owners, they are the lifeblood of Abakaliki. They wake up every day, rain or shine, and hit the ground running. Whether it's the roadside barbers giving fresh haircuts or the women selling gari, yams, and vegetables in the market, these people keep everything moving so smoothly. And you know what's crazy? For many of these entrepreneurs, they start super early. Sometimes as early as 6 a.m., it's a grind. They set up their shops, stock their goods, and prepare for a day of negotiating prices, attending to customers, and managing their stock. But let's be real for a moment. Running a small business here isn't all smiles. There are challenges. We've spoken to a few business owners, and many of them deal with the same issues: rising cost of goods, lack of steady power supply, and the competition from bigger shops and markets. But despite all this, they push through. Resilience is something you'll find in every corner of Abakaliki Street. It's this spirit of survival and adaptation that makes the business scene here so unique. You can tell that the people who run the shops and markets don't just do it for the money. They are passionate about their trade, whether they are tailoring, selling second-hand clothes, we call it okrika, or running a street food stand. They are giving their all to keep things going. Now, what's fascinating about Abakaliki is the variety you find. You've got people selling everything from the freshest produce to beautiful traditional attires, affordable electronics, and even handmade crafts. There's something for everyone here in this town. Take a walk down any street and you'll find anything you need. Whether it's a quick snack, a new dress, or even getting your shoes mended by the local cobbler. It's that diversity of products and services that makes the streets come alive. And you know what's even more exciting? This isn't just a hustle for survival, it's an ecosystem. The small businesses in Abakaliki are interconnected. The Akarasela buys her palm oil from the market, the tailor gets his fabric from the wholesalers just around the corner. Everyone's business supports someone else's, and that's how the local economy keeps ticking. Now, with all this energy happening in the streets, there are also some really exciting developments coming up that are changing the face of business in Ebonyi State. Have you heard about the industries springing up around the state? Yes, it's not just small businesses anymore. Ebonyi State is on a new level now. We've got industries like the pipe production company in Iziangbo. Can you believe that? Right here in Ebonyi State, we are manufacturing pipes that are being used all over Nigeria for water supply, sewage, and construction. Then, there's the Ebonyi hatchery in Abakaliki, just in the process of producing thousands of chicks to supply the poultry industry in and outside the state. Talk about economic growth. With the aim of processing waste to wealth in Ebonyi State. It's amazing to see how Ebonyi State is making strides in these sectors, right? And hold on, there's more. Soon, the cement industry in Kalago will be up and running again. Well, of course, hopefully. Imagine the impact on jobs and small businesses. It's going to change the game for local suppliers, transporters, and even the everyday shop owners who cater to workers in these industries. You can imagine what this means for Abakaliki and Ebonyi State as a whole. In fact, the whole of Southeast Nigeria. The more industries grow, the more opportunities open for everyone, from market sellers to transport businesses and even the local eateries. But I want to hear from you all. What's your favorite part of Abakaliki streets? As a resident, is there a shop, a street vendor, or a business you'd love to visit? Let us know in the comments below. And if you've got memories of shopping or visiting any of these places in Ebonyi State, share them with us. We'd love to hear your stories. Also, don't forget, if your birthday is coming up soon, send us your name, your photo, and where you're watching us from to the number now showing on your screens. We'll give you a special shout out on Ebonyi People TV. You know we love celebrating our viewers. And speaking of celebrations, if you've got a wedding, a burial, a festival, a meeting, or an anniversary coming up as well, you know who to call. Ebonyi People TV is the best when it comes to event coverage, and we're ready to make your day even more special. Just reach out to the number showing on your screens and we will be there. Alright, my beautiful people, that's all for today. Abakaliki's business district is alive and well, thanks to the hard work of the small business owners and the exciting new industries that are springing up across Ebonyi State. Make sure to support your local businesses, and as always, keep watching Ebonyi People TV for more amazing stories from around the state. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.